In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Volleyball Legends Roblox Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to play Volleyball Legends on mobile, all that you have to do is open the Roblox app, and in here use the search function to look for Volleyball Legends. It should appear here as a recommendation, and you can browse through the experiences. It should be the first one because it is extremely popular. Once you select Volleyball Legends, you can join a public server, or if you prefer, create a private one. I'm going to use a private one for demonstration purposes. It is easier for me to record, but you can absolutely join a public server if you want to play with other people online. Once you join the server, you will see this starting screen. Press any button to start, and finally, you are ready to play. When you join a public server, you can just go ahead and tap on play, but if you join a private one, you have to wait a couple of seconds for the actual game to start. So right away, you won't be able to join the game, so just give it a few seconds until you see the message that the round is starting. In the meantime, you can walk around, you can explore other options like the abilities, the styles, and you can use your spins to acquire different ones. Once you are satisfied, you just return to lobby, and once the round has started and it is available, you tap on play and you can choose a team, so either red or blue, left and right, and then a specific position. By loading in, you are ready to play. Now, because I am on a private server and there is no one else, no ball has spawned, but I can still practice these moves, so I can use set, bump, and dive. Sadly, the video is a little bit laggy because of all the menus that I accessed, but as you can see, it is working. You can jump with this button at the bottom right, and this changes your moves when you are in the air, so you also have block, spike, and other actions. You can leave at any time, so you just tap on return to lobby, and you can explore all of the modes. It is super simple to do. So I hope I was able to help you on how to play Volleyball Legends on mobile. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.